Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and let's end the year on a good note. Yes, so first off, Happy New Year's Eve. Second off, we're talking today about MonoGame. Now, MonoGame is a powerful indie game development framework. It was born out of the ashes of XNA, Microsoft's indie game development framework, which kind of started the indie gaming revolution that we've seen today. And then Microsoft kind of threw it all away, and MonoGame picked up the pieces. Now, as you can see from the scroller in the background, MonoGame has been used to create a ton of games, including this one, spoiler alert, StarDew Valley. On top of that, we've got a number of other really popular games were created using it, including up to today things like Shredder's Revenge were created using it. But an absolute gem in the world of indie game development, especially if you want to work at kind of a lower level, code level, and you want to work with the C# programming language. So that is MonoGame. So what are we talking about today? Well, let's do a little bit of a history lesson first. Back in September 2023, remember Unity did a thing? That thing did not go over well, and a number of things happened because of that thing that Unity did. And one of those things is Relogic, the makers of Terraria. They actually made some pretty huge donations. They actually donated $100,000 to Godot and $100,000 to FNA. Now, FNA is another port of XNA. It one aims to be more pixel perfect and exactly the same as what XNA was. It was designed for porting to other platforms, whereas MonoGame is sort of a successor to it, adding new features, creating a new content pipeline, etc. So they're very similar but different. So it was kind of a little bit odd that Relogic would donate to FNA and Godot, but not MonoGame. Well, the thing is, they also decided to donate to MonoGame. The problem is MonoGame didn't have like a central authority behind it. MonoGame needed to form a foundation in order to be able to accept a donation, like a $100,000 donation, right? So ultimately, that's what they did. MonoGame announced that they would be starting a non-profit foundation, and then ultimately Relogic, again, the creator of Terraria, made this huge donation to help support the development of MonoGame. Now, that was a couple of years ago, but it is very relevant, especially the fact that they have this foundation up and running. So the foundation is a US-based 501c3 nonprofit organization. It was established in September of 2023, and it is all about basically the development and support and promotion of the MonoGame framework. And so that since this exists, they can take donations. And now, back to today's news, this ConcernedApe, and these are the developers of StarDew Valley. Remember my spoiler warning earlier on. One of the more popular games created using the MonoGame framework. Well, they made a large donation to MonoGame. And even better, instead of just an initial large $125,000 donation, which is very, very nice, there is also an ongoing monthly commitment to the project as well. So, the direct tweet. Today, we are happy to announce that ConcernedApe, the developers of StarDew Valley, has made a very generous donation of $125,000 and an ongoing monthly commitment to the project. This extraordinary show of support, alongside ongoing contributions from other studios and individuals, helps ensure MonoGame continues to be the open source C# framework that game developers of all sizes can rely on. Foundation is excited about our roadmap and upcoming releases in 2026 and invite the community to join others in helping support MonoGame's future. So that is awesome. So basically, the creator of StarDew Valley has given $125,000 to the MonoGame project as well as an ongoing support. Interestingly enough, on ConcernedApe's Twitter feed, literally nothing about this. So they just did the generation, no promotion out of this. They literally just did it, and the only real announcement is that particular article, which is, or that tweet, I suppose you could say, which is actually even kind of more impressive in a way. So if you're interested, MonoGame is available at monogame.net. It is free, open source. It is an excellent C# framework. And when I just started this channel, I actually did an XNA tutorial series. So if you're interested in getting up and going, that is all actually still completely relevant. Although if you're interested and want me to revisit MonoGame at some point in the future, it does seem to have good support behind it, and I would love to do so. So again, a little bit of happy news to start the new year. And that is one of the more beloved open source indie game projects. Just got a pretty nice, sizable chunk of support and some ongoing support as well. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Hope you guys have a hell of a New Year's Eve, and I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.